Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So let's start our trading session. Today we got a little more than $100 on the balance. We trade on a 1 minute time frame, and for the maximum deposit amount, let's pick the indicators for today. It's gonna be the Kelton channel and stochastic. That's pretty simple. We set the period at 20 on the stochastic, and we set the overbought zone to 70 and the oversold zone to 30. Try the setup in your own trading. Everything is super simply. You will learn the strategy and will be able to make good money by the end of this video, guys. So take notes, open the charts and trade with me, guys. Let's get down to trading, guys, and start analyzing. And we will find the most profitable payout rate and chose the better trade entry. So I don't want to open here so far, but I think we should open a short position here. I will point out the workspace. Take a look, guys, the downward dynamics takes place and the updating of the local low has happened here. Then there were some bullish moments, very good pullback. While having this downtrend, we should consider that the stochastic is in the oversold zone right now. So we play ahead of the market and we are expecting the reversal in the short term. So let's watch. There are 30 seconds left before the closing. There is nothing to worry about, guys. The price is gonna hold here a little and the breakdown should happen at the end, because this massive correction should be over now. And let's watch. Yes, the breakdown has eventually happened on the last seconds, exactly as I predicted, guys. Let's update the trade amount. So let's continue analyzing and find the next currency pair. We are looking for the most profitable payout rate. So here we see the updating of the local high, and let's open a short position here. Everything is simple. Let me clarify the trade entry. We see that the flat took place here, and there was a huge pump from this local low, very strong upward dynamics. The local high has been updated here, and then this correction. So the correction should be more or less equal to this pump, because the price previously rocketed up. We see the same picture on the stochastic, very strong upward dynamics that tells us that the price is likely to go down. That's why we opened the short position here, and there are around 5 seconds left before the closing. And our position has been closed with a profit, guys. There are almost $400 on the balance. There is no stopping here. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's continue the trading session and find another currency pair. We're interested in the highest payout rate. I guess there is a good trade entry here, and let's open a long position here. I will point out the workspace. First of all, we take a look at the stochastic. We understand that the upward dynamics dominates here, and we play ahead of the market again. We understand that this is clear uptrend. The updating of the local high took place here, and then a strong correction followed up. The price broke the Keltner channel down here. And then there was a small pullback to the upside. Now the price is retesting the Keltner channel, and it's gonna enter this channel after all and continue going up in the near future. That's why we open the long position. We can also point out that the candle has a long shadow, which is basically a bullish signal. Our position has been closed with 0, guys. It's okay, no big deal. Let's open another right now. The principle is exactly the same here. Absolutely identical explanation, but here we have an extra signal. I mean, this red candle, it has long shadows on both ends, which enhance our signal for opening a long. We can also point out the support zone here. The price hit it 3 times and we are expecting another rebound. As you see, the breakout is gaining moments. It's quite simple. In the previous long position, the candle went down in the end, but anyway, we didn't lose anything. There was a mismeeting. But now we are gonna be in profits. It's almost guaranteed, and basically our position has been closed with a profit, guys. So if you have a similar situation, you should always open additional position, use the martingale strategy, and in this way you will always be in profit. So don't worry, guys, and let's continue our trading session. Find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. We need the highest payout rate. I see a potential correction here. So let me explain the principle of trade entry. We understand that the stochastic just flashed the signal, so here it was, but it didn't go lower. Instead, it went to the upside and the price is holding at this level. The downward dynamics is required here. We can also notice that the candle has a long shadow. It tells us that the price should go lower following the trend and the pullback should be over. That's why we open the long position here. We open ahead of the market because the stochastic hasn't crossed this line yet, but we see it coming. And look, the breakdown is happening and there are around 5 seconds left before the closing. And our position has been closed with a profit, guys. Also, it was closed, the price record to the upside a little bit, but anyway, we would open an extra position if we ended up with 0. So we could lose here. The worst case scenarios was to end up with 0. So you see the price is going down. Let's refresh the page, carry on analyzing and find another currency pair. We are interested in the highest payout rate, like here. There we go. Let's open a short position right away. Very good trade entry, guys. We play ahead of the market. We see that the moving average on the stochastic doesn't cross this line and stays in the overbought zone, so we can assume that the price should go lower. The downtrend dynamics took place here, and now we can observe the same. We can identify this zone as a correction after the updating of the local low, and the price is very likely to continue its downward moments. As simple as that, we are playing ahead of the market, so we are gonna expect the breakdown at the end, and our position should be in profits. So there is nothing to be afraid, and let's just wait. The price is near the trade entry level, so look, the breakdown seems to be happening. There was nothing complicated. Let's update trade amount. we've forgotten to do that last time, so it's fine. Let's find the next currency pair. We are gonna find the most profitable payout rate. Take a look at this pullback, guys. We are gonna play this out and open a short position here. We've missed the timing a little, but it's fine anyway. I would be better to open at this level. The downwards dynamics takes place here. The crossing on the stochastic has happened, so this correction should be over by now and the price should go down, because we consider this zone as a correction and basically everything should be fine here and our position should end up in profits. We are playing ahead of the market and the breakdown should happen at the end. There are around 20 seconds left before the closing. Let's wait, guys. And yes, our short position has been closed with a profit, guys. Perfectly calculated, guys. So exactly as I predicted, we played ahead of the market and our position has been closed in profit, guys. Let's find another currency pair. Let's open two long position here. We should stick to the technical analysis here. I kept this currency pair on purpose. If we look at the stochastic, the moving average is almost at the top and this correction reached the 70 zone here. There was a strong upward dynamics and after this correction the price should continue going upwards. If we look at this dynamics, the price goes up as a rule. Now it's not gonna be an exception. There are around 25 seconds left before the closing. I wanna point out low volatility here, so this is a correct trade entry. We already have a nice breakout. The local highs should be updated. And let's watch, guys. Meanwhile, another position has been closed in profit, guys. Let's continue our trading session and find another currency pair. So let's move back here and open a few more positions on this currency pair. I will point out the workspace. So absolutely the same trade entry as the previous one, but here we observe the double bottom pattern and this candle has a long shadow, which is a bullish signal. And we are gonna expect the breakout to the upside, and we open a long position here following the uptrend, and a good breakout is happening now. That was really easy. We understand that a strong upward dynamics dominates here. And let's watch, guys. And our position have been closed with the profit, guys. We already got 8,000 on the balance, and let's open final position in order to consolidate our gains, and then I will be happy with the profit, guys. So let's find another currency pair. We need the highest payout rate, and let's tap on this one again and open 8 long position. I will tell you a secret, guys. The principle of this trade entry is absolutely the same. The third position in a row. So we opened long position here every time. The updating of the local highs is gonna happen in the near future here. That's why we understand the price should go up, and I'm sure that we're not gonna lose here, because this is a very simple trade entry. I will zoom in to make it more clear for you. I'm gonna mention one more time that a strong upward dynamics takes place here. Meanwhile, we see this low volatility candle, so the upward dynamics has been formed step by step. So there was a strong impulse, the price. So with success for the third time in a row, and I'm glad to see 15,000 on the balance, guys. And let's move on to withdrawal. Let's withdraw $10,000, guys. There we go. And our transaction is being processed. I will attach the screen where it's done as usual, and that's what we've managed to earn today. Absolutely straightforward strategy. I also told you that's this little secret, so you can see that the price went to the upside here exactly as I told you, and after the updating of this local low or local high, the price will finally go down, but it doesn't really matter, guys, and this is where we stop for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.